So what happens is you have people like senior citizens walking down the stairs carrying their bags kasi isang elevator lang yan. That's a bottleneck there in NAIA 3. And then I also found out that the aircon was busted and it was very hot and they're still waiting for the repairs of the aircon. I'm not saying you're not doing anything about it, but we need to know what you're doing about it because it seems that it's not working, whatever system that you have in place. It's been how many months?
I found out that this was given to a contractor, a sole contractor, a sole distributor of Mitsubishi. And it took them, and I think they made an order sometime mid last year, 2023. And ang sabi po ng supplier, yung contractor po na sole distributor ng Mitsubishi, it will take 6 months to deliver the spare part kasi wala pong spare parts. And I was very particularly because madalas po na binasinasabihan din po ako ni Yusek Babilin at tungkol dyan. And I really found out, nung nangyari po dyan, so I decided kung ganyan po lang mangyayari, ang tinatawag, yung contractor na yun, abutin, eh sinabi ko po sa AGM for engineering natin, huwag na tayo magantay. If you can get spare part, sabi ko po, ay bumili na tayo. Kung kakailangan gawin ng ating mga mekaniko natin, ay gumawa na tayo. Ang sinabi ko po, by hook or by crook, get that escalator and those escalators running. And we are trying to run it. Kung maaari po, may timeline po kami binigay. Iba na po kinuha na namin. With disregard, kung dumating man po yung in-order nila na 6 months ago, magiging extra na lang po yun. What we did is we are buying locally, made in China nga lang po, pero it's going to work. And I think we're running up by the end of June, ayusin na po namin yun. I was very adamant and I was very strong in saying, gawin na natin yun. Huwag na tayo magantay. Pero pa po, escalators po sa Terminal 2, yung domestic po. Arrival din po. Ganun din po ang sitwasyon. Kaya sabi ko pati na yun, idamay na rin po.